So here we got this sharp tumble dryer, and we had a problem that it said once it started to beep saying the fault code E07, and that comes down to, we found two explanations. One is the lock is broken, which is not broken for sure. Actually, this one is a 3 years old unit, not older than 3 years. So the other problem we found with this, the condensed water pump is clogged or doesn't work. So I removed the pump, there was nothing in it, that was not blocked whatsoever, and it was working just fine. So then I stripped this whole unit, and I found out that this side, the belt was rubbing against the cover, side cover. This must have given extra friction to the motor, and it damaged one of these capacitors. So here are two capacitors. One is smaller, one is the larger one. And I measured it, and the smaller is broken. So this one is a 11 microfarads capacitor, insulation up to 470 volt. Yeah, well, I couldn't find this size, so I bought another one. Is M8 thread, and this one is 12 microfarad. And my plan is that it goes right into. It's not polarity sensitive, so you don't have to remember which one is which. And yeah, I'm going to fit this together, hammer this out, so there's not going to be extra friction on the belt. And then I'm going to carry on with this video to see if this fixed my problem or not. So I just started it, and yeah, it started straight. So before that, when I started the program, then the drum didn't move at all. Now changing these this capacitor, it's fixed all the problems.